Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can allow others to send you messages in the LinkedIn mobile application, for example on your Android. So let us guide you through this. Launch the LinkedIn app, and for this method guys you will need to access your messages and chats first. To do that, tap into this button in the top right corner, into that speech bubble here, and from here navigate to your communication or chat settings. To do that, tap into these three dots in the top right corner, and from here select manage settings. That is going to redirect you to your privacy settings in your LinkedIn account, and from here guys swipe down till you get to messages, tap into it or into that arrow to the right, and here simply enable this feature, message request, if you'd like to allow others to send you messages, for example. And after that, new contacts here on LinkedIn will be able to send you messages, and you can accept them to start a conversation with them. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.